Hello guys, and welcome to Epic Mentorship. In today's video I want to share with you how to send multiple emails within one click, capturing each and every member's first name and last name. So you can send as many emails as you want, but then it's going to deliver the email once at a time and capturing their username, their first name and the last name accordingly. So to start with, let's try to send a very simple message by coming to the compose here, and once we click on compose new a message, and we can see a sample here. Okay, let's say before we put in any email to anybody, we put the subject as hi, and then we can come all the way to the content and just write there, open the curly brackets, the two curly brackets, and close two curly brackets. We can see the first name, you can see last name the same way. So you just put curly brackets, open and close, and then down here you put your content accordingly. All right, so once you're done putting this, you just come all the way to this Google Apps. Okay, the list of the Google Apps, you click on this, you come all the way down to Google Sheets. Okay, so you can see Sheets over here, you just click on it and it will bring you over here. You just click on new sheet, a blank sheet, and it's going to bring you over to this blank fresh sheet. All you need to do next is to come to extensions, you click on extensions and click on add-ons. Okay, you can click on get add-ons, and once you're here you can just come over here and search for mailmerge, and you can see Mago mailmerge over here. You just click on it, you can see it over here, Mago mailmerge. You click and you can say install, continue on this account, and say allow, and we have just installed it. So what this means is Mago mailmerge means is you can send up to 2,000 plus personalized emails per day with Gmail, track whether the messages have been opened or they've been responded or they've been delivered. You will see and track it and follow up even if you want. Okay, so you have successfully installed a Google Workspace add-on. So you can now close and you can refresh this page. Okay, so you can see it by the right here, Mago was installed. You can say got it, and you can click on it to open. So you can click and then you can say, you can come to mailmerge over here. You just click and it will direct you to the messages that you have on the draft. So you have the one that we just typed, the last one, which is the last one that is in existence. This one, I mean this one with the subject hi, it has been saved on the draft. So you can just come over, you can select it, the hi message. So once you send one email, now you have about 499 messages to send as your daily quota. So you can enable the track email opens, responded, clicked or bounced. You can see all this from here. So once you enable this, you can come over here and see this is the email addresses. By default it gives you this table. Is the email address, and then this is the first name, last name and the mail match. So for the email we selected, let's say we are sending to Epic Mentorship, you can click to see the complete email. This is Epic Mentorship email, and this is the first name, the last name, and then you will see the status after we send the email. So assuming we want to add another message, maybe Epic Mentorship 3 at gmail.com, and we can call it Dr. Rashid very quickly. So let's say we can add as many as we want. Let's say we'll put one of my emails, sa00@ymail.com. okay, so let's say we have 3 emails. Let's say we have these 3 emails and we want to send So we've finished the updating. We can always come over to the mailmerge, and you can see, you can refresh over here. So once you refresh from these three dots, you can see it has taken 3 emails. So this is the so once we click, it's going to send these 3 emails. So let's try to send. So right now it's going to give us the status on all the emails. You have said send. Okay, so which means when we open our emails, we are going to see all these email messages. So let's say we'll go back to our Gmail, and once we refresh this, we're going to see our emails sent here. And if I open it and see the content, it is going to update here that it has been opened. So let's try to refresh this and check over here. Okay, we can see the report. Okay, so it has just responded. This had been opened. This one that we just sent has been opened. So ladies and gentlemen, this is just a simple way on how to send bulk SMS up to 2,000 per day. Okay, up to 2,000 messages per day. You can send up to 2,000 per day. So all you need to do is to just arrange the emails, put in the usernames, put in the first name, the last name, put in the email, first name and last name, and it's going to deliver as easy as this. And you can see it delivered to only one person, citing the first name via Epic Mentorship, just like we have put in the first name and last name via Epic Mentorship. This is the details. Okay, so this is in a nutshell how to send a bulk SMS or many SMS up to 500 to 2,000 using the Gmail, and it's the easiest and looks much more professional with just a simple click. If you enjoyed this video, remember to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to always hit the like and subscribe buttons to stay connected to this channel for more of our very useful videos. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.